Jews helped the first Portuguese kings to develop the country, which went from a small country to the greatest economic, scientific, and military power comparable to Castile. For those who rejected Jewish life, the valuable services of the Jewish community were of little interest. The Jews were called heretics. After being forcibly baptized, many Jews continued to serve Portugal in the most important positions because the monarchs knew that the good administration of the kingdom depended on them. Many were not interested in the Jews continuing to be part of the homeland. They were called apostates, and especially for them, the Inquisition was created. In the beginning of the 20th century, the Jewish community of Porto was officially re-established, and within a short time, the largest synagogue in the country was built. But an anonymous letter-writing scheme was used to target the community leader who had the most strength to promote Jewish religion and culture. They called him a pantheist and expelled him from the army. It was the Portuguese Dreyfus case. The community entered a period of silence that lasted for several decades and remained without a minion, without energy to promote Jewish culture, and nothing but darkness. However, between 2012 and 2014, the synagogue was restored, the library was enlarged, a kosher hotel was opened in the city, and full-house religious ceremonies were seen again. Now, the great synagogue is proud to have completed 10 consecutive years with a minyan on Shabbat and Yom Tov. In addition to the community having a second synagogue with daily minyan, a recently opened cemetery, restaurants, a Jewish museum, a Holocaust museum, an art gallery, and in-house production of historical films. Yet agitated elites devised a plan to insult the main promoter of Jewish life in the city as irreligious, without caring that he was the only Portuguese Jew whose marriage was presided over by a chief rabbi of Israel, or that he descended from the royal house of David, or that he shared the same birth date as the Portuguese Dreyfus. In the Jewish world, actions have their own voice, and the people know who they are. May the Portuguese anti-Semites continue to find many such pantheists, irreligious people, heretics, and apostates, as it will be a sign that Jewish life is alive in the country.